one avoid burning out? I ask this quite a lot. And you know what? I really don't think there is an answer. I don't think there's any way to avoid burning out. If you're working and you have a lot of work and you're working hard, it's going to pile up and you're going to be stressed out. What I'm saying is you can't prevent it completely. There's no tricks, there's no magical secret that will prevent you from ever burning out. The pressure will always start to come down, at least at some point. The key is to stop that before it becomes too much. That's the key. And if you're anything like me, you have sat down to begin work at, let's say, 7 a.m. in the morning, and then you look up and all of a sudden it's 3 p.m. and you wonder where the day goes. Now, I didn't feel burnt out after that, but if you took enough days like that, they'll add up and you eventually will burn out. The point is to stop you from burning out so much where you just don't want to do anything for a long period of time, because obviously we can't. We have deadlines, we have clients, and we have projects that need to get done. As nice as it sounds to take a full week's vacation and not do any work at all, some of us still cannot do that. So instead of trying to figure out how to avoid burnout, let's try and figure out ways to lessen the pressure. Schedule in 10-15 minute breaks, or even an hour break if you can. But always have those breaks scheduled throughout the day. And not just physically, but mentally as well. Make sure during those breaks, you're not concentrating on what you've been working on all day. Do something else that's not related to what you've been working on all day. Those activities will help you minimize your burnout, make you feel better, and guess what? You come back with a fresh pair of eyes, which is always necessary on projects. So have you ever reached the point where you've completely burnt out? Let me know in the comments below what led you there and how you got yourself out. And if you liked the video, give it a like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.